Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to make a stunning poster on Canva completely from scratch in 2025. No design experience needed. First of all, open your browser like Chrome, search for canva.com or open the app from your phone. You can download the app from Play Store or App Store. You can log in or sign up easily using your email, Google, or Facebook. Just click on sign up button and follow the process. Okay. Once inside the dashboard, you can search for poster templates. Use the search bar, search for poster template or just poster. Now scroll down. You can see the poster design, but for full creative freedom, we will start with a blank poster. Can Canva's default poster size is 18 by 24 inches, but you can resize or enter a custom size if you like. Just keep in mind resizing may require a pro account. On the left side bar, you will find all the tools you need. Then click create or blank. From here, you can see the Elements tab. Click on it. Here you will see the shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, etc. You can search for background or just busy and choose a free background from here. Click see all photos. Now choose one from here, or you can upload your custom background from here. Click uploads, then click upload file and choose the file from your desktop. To start, pick a background color, select the canvas and click background color, choose the wheel and choose the color like this. Or you can use photo to set the tone of your poster. You can apply a solid color or drag an image directly onto the canvas. So for this tutorial, I will use a template. Go to home, close the tab. Now search again poster, template or poster. Choose one from here like this. Click customize this template. Next, let's add your custom text. Click on it, double click on it, and enter your name. Like my name is Parsley. Then write about yourself, your hobby, or your niche. You can add headings. Click the text tab from the left sidebar. Click add a text box and resize the text box and drag here. You can add some text from your mind. Add a subheading to share event details or important information, adjusting its style and position for balance and clarity. Then add body text for additional information, making sure it's easy to read and well placed. To make your poster visually appealing, use the Elements tab to add icons, shapes, and lines. Lines are great to separate sections nearly, adjust their thickness and length as needed. Go to here or click Files. You can upload your file. You can set the margin. Click Show Margins. Margin here look like this. The, then again click File Settings. Click Add Ruler or Guides and add it on your canvas like this. So easy. To keep your design neat, select multiple elements and use the position tool to align or distribute them evenly. Group related elements so you can move or resize them all at once. Just click all or select all like this. Then click the right click of your mouse, click group, and you can drag it here from here. Remember, Canva saves your designs automatically, so you can always return later to make edits. Finally, don't hesitate to explore Canva's tutorial and resources to level up your design skills. Experiment with different layouts, fonts, colors, and icons to create posters that truly. If you want to change your font color, just click the font, then click text color and choose the color from here. When you are happy with your design, save or download it from share button. Click share button, then click download. Now select the format like JPG, PNG, PDF. For this poster, you can use PDF or PNG or JPG. And that's how you create a poster on Canva from scratch or template using template in 2025. If you found this step by step guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creative tutorials. Happy designing. Thanks for watching.